हेलो एवरीवन। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फाइलम प्रोटोजोआ। पर क्लासिफिकेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम फाइलम प्रोटोजोआ के इंट्रोडक्शन तथा जनरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। द स्टडी ऑफ प्रोटोजोअन इज टर्म्ड एज प्रोटोजोलॉजी। प्रोटोजोआ इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट फाइलम. Protozoans animal were first studied by Leeuwenhoek. The word protozoa was first used by Goldfuss. Rhizopoda word was given by Dujardin. Ciliata word was given by Perty, and Sporozoa word was given by Leuckart. Now the main characteristic features of phylum Protozoa. Protozoa is universal and cosmopolitan in distribution. Mostly these are microscopic organisms. The animal of this phylum are free living or parasitic in plants or animal. These are solitary or colonial. Solitary means they live singly and colonial means they live in group. These are the simplest and most primitive animal. Their body organization is of protoplasmic level. The body of most animal is naked and have pellicle, test or shell on their body as exoskeleton. Body is unicellular with one or more nucleus. Locomotory organelles are present. Pseudopodia, cilia, flagella and sucking tentacles are locomotory organelles. Protozoans which are found in fresh water have one or more contractile vacuole for water balance and osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means regulation of ion and water concentration in their body. Nutrition is of holozoic, heterotrophic, mixotrophic, parasitic and intracellular type. Holozoic means animal-like nutrition. Heterotrophic means they can't synthesize their own food material and they have to depend on other animals. Mixotrophic means they are autotrophs as well as heterotrophs. Intracellular means when the digestion takes place inside the cell. Cytostomes and cytophytes is present in paramecium. Ammonotelic animals, their excreted product is ammonia. Excretion and respiration takes place through general body surface. Some protozoa shows phenomena of cyclosis. Cyclosis means streaming of protoplasm in circular manner. Reproduction may be sexual or asexual. Reproduction can take place in favorable and unfavorable condition. Favorable means when water is available and unfavorable means when water is not available. By means of budding, binary fission and multiple fission, asexual reproduction takes place, and by means of conjugation and syngamy, sexual reproduction takes place. They undergoes the phenomena of encystment during unfavorable condition. Encystment means formation of cyst around the protoplasm. On the body of some protozoa, an exoskeleton of calcium carbonate or silica is present, for example, Radiolaria group. Now, the classification. Classification of phylum Protozoa is based on the type of locomotory organelles present in these animals. Phylum Protozoa is classified into 5 classes: Rhizopoda or Sarcodina. Locomotion takes place by means of Pseudopodia. Flagellata or Mastigophora. Locomotion takes place by means of flagella. Ciliata, locomotion by means of cilia. Sporozoa, no locomotory organelles are present, and Insectoria, sucking tentacles are present. Now the class 1, Rhizopoda or Sarcodina. Locomotory organelles are different type of pseudopodia. Body is naked, so shape is changeable. Pseudopodia are also help in feeding. Nutrition is holozoic and saprozoic. Cytoplasm is divided into ectoplasm and endoplasm. Nucleus is one to many, free living or parasitic. Contractile vacuoles are present in freshwater animals. Contractile vacuoles are present in parasites and marine water animals. Asexual reproduction by means of transfer binary fission. Sexual reproduction is absent. Second class, Mastigophora or Flagellata. Locomotion by means of flagella. Their body has pellicle and so they have a definite shape. Many members have chlorophyll just like plant. Nucleus is only one. Binary fission is longitudinal. Sexual reproduction is absent. Contractile vacuole is present for osmoregulation. Nutrition is mixotrophic. Example is Euglena. Euglena is known as the connecting link between plant and animal. Class 3, Ciliata. Life cycle is complicated and a rigid pellicle is present. Locomotory organelle are cilia and present on whole body surface. Nutrition is holozoic. Nucleus are dimorphic. Two type of nucleus are present. One is large and another one is small. Large size nucleus is known as macronucleus. It is vegetative and control daily activities. Small size nucleus is known as micronucleus. It is genetic and related to reproduction. For ingestion, cytostome is present. For egestion, cytophyte is present. Ciliata. Other characteristic features: two contractile vacuoles are present, one at the anterior end, another one at the posterior end. They help in osmoregulation. Below the pellicle, trichocysts are present, which are defense organelle. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of transverse binary fission, and sexual reproduction takes place by means of conjugation. Class 4, Sporozoa. All the members of this group are endoparasitic. Locomotory organelles are absent. A thick pellicle is present. Cytostome, cytophytes and contractile vacuole are absent. Asexual reproduction takes place by means of multiple fission. Sexual reproduction takes place by means of syngamy. Spore formation takes place in most of the member. Life cycle is complicated. Example is Plasmodium. Now, the last class, Sectoria. The member of this class are sessile or stalked. Locomotory organelles in adult are sucking tentacles. Oblique binary fission is present. Asexual reproduction by means of budding. Only one contractile vacuole is present in this animal. Thanks. If you like, please share and subscribe.